Hello mga katarot, welcome po sa inyong reading. So, apektado po nito lahat ng signs po. So, lahat naman kasi maapektuhan ng Venus and Virgo na season, no? Madami tayong i-discuss. Magsisimula tayo, of course. Karamihan ng nandito is sa relationship, no? So, hihimayin natin yan. Magsisimula tayo sa single, then mutual understanding, so mga walang labels, susunod doon sa mga may relationship pero hindi pa man kasal, no? So magjowa ba? Ayan. So susunod niyan yung mga married. So ibig sabihin may kasal na, or meron ditong sabihin natin mga may anak or combination yun ng dalawa, no? Susunod dyan is for those people who are in separation, no? And then susunod yung mga nasa third party situation. After the third party situation, we will also discuss your sexual life, no? Interesante, no? After that, we will move forward doon po sa mga person who's looking for a job. Then we will make a reading for those people who's looking for another job or pangalawang trabaho, no? And then i-check natin yung career. Ayan. So, susunod niyan ang iyong finances. And then let's check health. The last part is yung spiritual journey. So napakadami. So again, lahat po ng signs, so kapag naabutan niyo po ito before July 11, no? So kung saan mangyayari ang Venus in Leo, itong reading po ito ay para sa inyo. No? So, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, regularly magpo-post na rin po tayo ng mga videos doon, no? So might as well subscribe na rin po kayo. Pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo or hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po tayo sa link, no, sa description box. Click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my website or webpage, no? And then, makikita nyo po doon yung information, how much is it, how much per question, no? The QR codes, mode of payment. Kung gusto nyo rin po ng mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yung information. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So, magsimula na tayo, no? Venus in Virgo, let's start for those who are singles. Ayan. Singles. Chaos and conflict. New life. Fork in a road. Ayan. So parang ang nakikita ko dito sa mga singles, parang medyo hindi na tayo happy being single. Hindi ko sinasabing malungkot, no? Pero siguro nakakapag-isip-isip na tayo ng, I think I need to move to another chapter of my life, no? Siguro kailangan ko na rin either may makakasama, no? Either NBSB or no NGSB, no? ah, or sabihin nating matagal-tagal na akong walang jowa, no? I think I am ready to enter a new life. Pero may takot, no? So, sa mga singles may takot. Either nakita yung hiwalayan. So this we will go deep dive doon po sa mga merong traumas from the past. It may be a personal experience from them, no, na hindi kasi maganda yung family yung kinagisnan ko. So natatakot ako baka ganun din itong mangyari sa akin, no? Yung iba naman, sort of natatakot kasi ko baka mamaya mangyari na naman yung from the past, no? Lokohin na naman ako, ipagpalit na naman ako. So, may push na gustong, sige, parang kailangan ko, pero nakakatakot, no? Nakakatakot. Wow. With the Justice card in here, the Seven of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito, let's say, wala pa tayo sa sobrang seryosong relasyon. Kumbaga, nandito tayo sa um, kailangan kong mamili, no? With the Seven of Cups kasi I'm looking for an option, no? I will, kumbaga, ready akong may makilala, no? Probably date, ganyan. Pero I'm not sure yet kung yun na talaga. So it's much better to dito natin sasabihin yung collect, no? And then select, no? Kasi, oo nga naman, wala naman problema kasi single naman sila. Hindi naman sila naglalaro, no? What I am seeing in here is what I need here is the best for me, no? Tsaka na ako magde-decide, no, if I'm going to cross the bridge kapag meron na talagang taong napupusuan ko, no? Uh, with the Three of Wands and the Judgment. It's either meron tayong specific na tao na hinahanap dito or specific na, kumbaga, bucket list ba, no? Yung mga checklist natin. Yung iba, sabihin natin for example, no? Yung tall, dark, and handsome, no? Yung mga ganyan. Yung iba gusto ko maputi, singkit, no? Yung ganyan. Yung iba gusto ko afam. Yung iba gusto ko ganitong um, descent, no? Or ganitong tribe, no? Let's say, ano ba? Kung Ilocano, Ilocano, no, yung mga ganyan. Meron tayong mga specific na gusto sa isang tao, no? Singles. Wow. Ano ba ang mangyayari sa atin with the Knight of Pentacles? The Moon card. So, mas matimbang pa rin talaga ang sabihin natin ditong marami pa akong tanong or marami pa akong gustong makuha sa buhay. It may not be my first priority in life. Sabihin natin, medyo kailangan ko, but not my priority, no? For a few numbers of you, what I am seeing in here, you're still going to choose you. And there's nothing wrong with that, no? There's nothing wrong with that. Kumbaga, nandito lang tayo siguro more of nabobore na tayo, mag-isa, or we're looking for a new adventure. Siguro masyadong strong yung sinasabi nating nabobore. Or sabihin nating, I need some playtime or playmate, no? With the Seven of Pentacles and the Emperor. So it felt like to me singles, you are still going to choose you. No, nandito tayo talaga sa may part na with the Seven of Pentacles kasi you will still wait for a longer time. With the Emperor, I feel like It's okay to have someone by my side, pero it's not my priority. Now, you're not going to push the person away. No? Meron talaga taong makikilala dito. Hold up. Pero kasi, I'm not pushing you away, but it's okay if you're gonna stay with me, no, by my side, or probably at my back. Most numbers of you, ayokong may katabi, no? Or ayokong mas pina-priority kita. It's much better na nasa likod kita if I need some comfort, no? The Hermit and the Knight of Swords. Hindi ikaw yung taong pabigla-bigla. No, the Hermit showed up. So, ibig sabihin medyo matagal-tagal pa ang sinasabi nating decision making for love. I'm, I'm seeing you're still going to entertain people, but at the end of the day, you might still gonna be in this retrograde. You're still prioritizing yourself, no? Singles, you may find some playmate, no, for a few numbers of you, but you may also, apart from, pag natapos na itong journey natin, I will still choose me. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. So, especially yung merong, itong singles na merong Scorpio, no? Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Pisces, Gemini, Capricorn, Leo, no? Lalo na itong mga zodiac sign na ito, mas more of magpa-prioritize ko pa rin yung sarili ko, no? So yung the rest, chances are we will move into another level of commitment, or probably sasabihin natin na mag-aano tayo, mag-aano kayo, medyo ile-level up natin. Kaunti lang, hindi naman sobra-sobra, no? Kasi merong hesitations pa rin when it comes to those people na single. Ayan. So let's move forward doon po sa mga may mutual understanding. So medyo complicated ito, no? Kasi pag sinabi nating may mutual understanding, ito na po yung walang label. Parang tayo pero hindi tayo. Hindi rin naman tayo magkaibigan kasi we know we're more than friends, 'di ba? Pero hindi ako pwedeng magselos, wala akong karapatan. Mahirap na sitwasyon pero madami ang pumapasok, no? Let's see. Ano ang mangyayari sa mga merong or nasa loob ng mutual understanding? Ghosted and disappearing, important connection, unresolved situation. Oh, wow. So, the energy is fluctuating, if I may say. How do I say so? Kasi parang itong si person, bigla-bigla na lang na magpapakita. Minsan hindi, may mga chances are hinahanap ko pa, no? Yung iba kasi dito, baka may sabihin nating sabit, no? Kaya it's not easy for these couple to put the connection into another level of commitment. It's either hindi pa talaga pwede, that's actually moral decision, or hindi pa pwede kahit gusto kasi sasabi tayo because of, sabihin natin, judicial, no? Reason. But it kind of make me feel like pinagdadaanan natin ito is because of this is something that we can learn and we have to learn, no? Wow. Six of Pentacles and the Star. I am seeing here kapag kayong dalawa ang magkasama, walang iba kayong nakikita. Masaya naman when it comes to intimacy, when it comes to being focused, no? Kasi I feel like you are both sharing the same energy na kapag kayong dalawa yung magkasama, para kayong I'm seeing an energy of a dance, and the dance is synced, no? Kapag kung kaya ko siyang i-interpret in verbal form. Kasi yung visuals niya parang it's a dance na sobrang smooth, wala siyang patutunguhan, pero it seems like ang sarap panoorin, no? It felt like you both of you are dancing into a specific music. I'm speaking in metaphor, of course. And it felt like napakasarap panoorin, no? Um, it felt so sweet. It felt so warm. It also felt passionate, no? Wow. With the Empress and the Four of Pentacles. So, it felt like to me more of sabihin nating visuals, no? Itong nangyayari. Um, Uy, may pumapasok sa akin information, pero I need to finish it first before I bought that in, no? Um, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, parang since nandito tayo sa mutual understanding situationship, somewhat merong taong alam ko kasi yung worth ko. Alam ko yung beauty ko. Alam ko yung grace ko, no? I know my value. And I feel like, can we say, not really playing, I'm loving it. I'm loving, meron pa ditong word ng isang fast food, no? Ah, alam niyo yan, comment niyo kung ano yung I love, love ko to, or I love it, no? Anyway, going back, baka doon kayo palaging nagdi-date or doon kayo nagkita. Anyway, going back, it felt like, yeah, gusto ko yung nangyayari pero I'm still closed off kasi baka meron pang dumating. So that's one of the reason probably why I cannot give you a commitment, no? Sabi ng isa. Um, yung dumating na information, um, mag-ingat-ingat lang baka kasi mabuntis. I'm seeing the Four of Cups and the Ten of Cups. So ito na nga, chances are, itong situation na ito, parang all of a sudden, ang saya-saya. Tapos, meron bigla na lang mawawala and I feel like, na isang tabi ba ako? Napaglaruan ba ako? That's actually one of the question. Pero kung tatanungin naman kung napaglaruan, actually no. No? Kasi there's an emotion in here. Something just happened with the disappearing act, the magician, and the judgment. So it felt like to me the reason being kaya nagkaroon ng disappearing act, or ghosting. Kasi I value myself now. I know my worth and ayoko dito sa mutual understanding na situation, no? With the judgment in here, mas pinipili ko yung sarili ko. And I know I deserve a relationship that is worth, kumbaga, worth na ipagsigawan ako, worth na sabihin sa mga tao na we are in a committed relationship, no? Especially dito po, no, sa mga merong Leo, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Libra, Sagittarius. Ano? So, the rest po, whether this is your sun or a placement in your chart, no? So, the rest, ang nakikita ko sa inyo is more of still continuing the situation, no? Pero dun po sa mga nabanggit natin, chances are magko-continue na itong sabihin natin silence. Ano po? So ayan, so tingnan naman natin ngayon ang mga nandun po sa may relationship na, no? So which means magjowa. Pero hindi pa kasal, wala pa pong anak. Ano? So tingnan natin. For those who are in a relationship but no child or not yet married, no? Nandun po tayo ngayon sa mga may relationship and not yet married. Relationship and not yet married. The tribe. Peace and soulmate. Ayan. I feel like botong-boto naman itong mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo. So it felt like this connection is not just made up of the couple, no? Pwedeng involved dito ang family members, involved dito ang friends, co-workers, what have you, no? There's a small group of people who kind of really enjoying, no? Nga ba? Because I am seeing here, it looks like um, either this is arranged marriage, either this is, parang pinagkasundo nga kayo ng family, arranged marriage, no? Yung iba kasi ayaw aminin na this is arranged, probably. Or yung iba, friends naman, or yung iba, friends yung families, no? Or yung iba, I just like you para sa aking anak, no? So, boto, no? So, everyone is telling the both of you na put this connection into another level na, no? With the Seven of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. Uy, wow. Ang nakikita ko dito parang bukod sa botong-boto, gustong-gusto, meron talaga dito parang celebrations na either pinag-iipunan nyo or meron nang nagsasabi, sige, ako na yung sa reception, no? Or ako na itong sa damit, o ito ang aking toka, no? Ituloy nyo lang yan. Ang ganda naman, napaka-positive nitong mga taong ito, no? With the Death card and the Six of Cups, so it felt like to me meron kayong separations. So kaya ganito itong mga taong to, no? So parang hindi pagpatuloy nyo yan, no? You are looking good, with each other, bagay na bagay kayo. I think you're meant to be, no? So ang nakikita ko nga dito, parang itong mga taong ito is nanonood ng teleserye, no? Pagpatuloy niyo yung kwento or nanonood ng isang romantic movie na natapos sa ganon, uy, ang pangit ha, wala sa climax, pagpatuloy niyo yan, gumawa kayo ng part 2, no? Kumbaga, I believe that there are people who's voting or vouching rather in your connection. I also feels like medyo namimiss mo rin naman itong taong ito, no? So, with the Knight of Wands, clarified by the Seven of Pentacles. So, it kind of make me feel that meron lang either meron ditong tao na gagawa ng paraan, yung magiging tulay ba or bridge para mag-ayos kayo, no? Hindi kasi pwedeng para sa kanila, para sa kanila talaga, hindi pwedeng hindi kayo matutuloy, no? with the justice in here, the Empress, I feel like either gusto nyo na magkaanak or um, the Empress kasi is more of giving birth to a new idea as well, katulad nung sa High Priestess, but more on the feminine side. Well, parehas din naman on the feminine side, but I feel like this is more of not balancing, but more of me digging into my sensibility, being sensual. No, um, the justice in here because I feel like someone is already fertile. I'm ready with the high priestess kasi sabi ko lang, no? So this is you balancing. Ito na. Um, should I do this now? Recon, wow, with the page of cups. And it felt like, ito na nga, with the page of cups. So chances are, mas mauuna ang baby bago sa kasal, ano? Pero nakikita ko dito, dahil nga merong mga taong nagpo-push, may taong may gusto, no? Na magkaayos kayo, you're gonna give this person another chance, and it kind of make me feel that this is going to be a peaceful, and both of you are going to make a decision na parang, oo nga no. Siguro hindi natin nakikita dahil tayo yung magkaharap, pero yung mga tao nakapaligid sa atin nakikita yung value ng relationship. So, I think that it's now okay to um, hold our hand, no? Let's be a team and let's move this forward, no? Lalo na dito sa mga may Virgo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Cancer, Capricorn, Libra, no? So yan po. The rest, ang nakikita ko po is somewhat medyo matatagalan ng konti pero doon din papunta. Pero ito is doon po sa mga zodiacs na nabanggit ko, whether this is your sun or a placement in your chart, this is going to happen very, very soon. No? So, dito naman po tayo sa mga married. No? Married, so which means kasal. Whether bonggang kasal, sa West, there's ceremony. And meron na ditong sabihin natin anak or a combination, no? So there's actually something that bonds the both of you, whether paper or literally another human being, no? Coming to the edge, message in a bottle, yan. So I feel like madami-dami itong mga tinatago nating either sakit, hinanakit. Wow. You know what ang nakikita ko? Para kasing meron akong galit. Pero kasasabi ko lang ng galit. Madaming kong gustong sabihin actually. Yun na nga, no? So, madami kong gustong sabihin. Madami kong gustong kinikimkim, no? Don't get me wrong. Mahal kita, pero with Diane, medyo nakakainis ka rin, no? In a way. Pero I'm keeping it to myself, probably to avoid, no? What? To avoid what? To avoid drama. Ayan. With the Six of Wands, the Page of Swords. You know what? I feel like somewhat this is, I'm gauging, no? Meron din ako mga kinakausap na mga tao with the Page of Wands. I feel like hindi ko na lang muna sasabihin, no, kung ano man ito kasi mas pinipili ko ang relasyon natin, no? Mas pinipili ko itong marriage. Mas pinipili ko kayo, no? kung merong child, no? Or mga anak. So, it felt like kahit na ganun yung aking nararamdaman, mas pinipili ko ang ikabubuti ng nakakarami. Ayun. So, let's see here with the Ace of Cups and the Moon card. So, pero meron ditong sinasabi niya na, I think, no, sabihin natin, ito yung aking ginawa. Then, pero, worth it pa ba? Ayan. So, bakit naman ganun? Meron na ditong parang nag-iisip na, I think I am undervalued, no? Being taken for granted, no? Parang hindi ako nabibigyan ng importansya. Ang nakikita ko dito, sana mapansin nyo man lang, no? Ang mga ginagawa ko dito sa pamilyang ito, no? Hindi porket siguro nakikita nyo kung either nandito lang, kala nyo pabanjing-banjing lang tayo, no? Ang hirap kaya ng ginagawa ko, lalo na kapag nakaasa lang, no? I think one of the reason in here is baka gusto ko rin magtrabaho, or gusto ko rin bigyan ng value yung sarili ko. Gusto ko rin umalis, no, ng bahay for a change. Maiba itong environment. Pero mas worth it nga ba itong pag-i-stay ko dito? Worth it nga ba na laging kayo ang pagbigyan, no? Paano naman ako, no? So, with the Ace of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, I think someone here would really love to either work, change a career, change something. Gusto kong kumita, no, ng pangsarili ko. Whether this is pride or whether this is something that I'm being forced to, it doesn't matter. Kailangan kong bigyan ng buhay, no? Yung sarili ko, kasi I felt like dito na lang ako umikot, no? With the Ten of Wands and the Six of Cups. So parang ang dami kong na-miss na opportunity. Ang dami kong mga bagay ngayon na kumbaga nakapasan. Hindi sa ayokong tumakas, gusto ko nga tumulong, no? Yun yung pinaka-pinopoint dito with the Death card and the Five of Cups. I think itong gustong sabihin ng taong ito is nangihinayang ako sa mga opportunities na napalagpas ko, no? Because of this situation that I am in, no? Lalong-lalo na dito po sa mga may zodiac sign na ito, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, I'm seeing Cancer, Capricorn, Leo, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, Scorpio, no? Yan. So, lalo na po. The rest, I feel like they will choose to stay, or I feel like these people are going to say it anyway, no? So, let's check naman po dito sa in separations. For those who are in separations, tingnan natin, ano? For those who are in separations na. For those who are in separations, for those people who are in separations, Divine Masculine, no contact, foundation. So it kind of make me feel that someone is really trying to hide, no? So wala talaga kayong I think it's really given, no? Walang contact, sobrang malayo. It felt like nandyan lang siya sa paligid pero I am using more of my logic, no? Hindi ko masyadong ginagamit ngayon ang puso, no? What is important to me is sabihin natin pinapairal ko ang isip ko ngayon. So that's the reason na ayoko munang may kausap. Baka kailangan ko magmuni-muni, no? Wala naman ako sa ibang lugar. Nandito lang ako, no? Malapit lang. Yung parang ganon. But I need probably ang energy dito is ayoko lumabas, na ayoko mag-post. Parang I'm isolating myself, no? From people. Ayan. I am isolating myself, from social media. I want silence. Ayan. With the Ace of Cups and the Seven of Swords. So parang nakikita ko dito, mahal kita. Mahal pa rin kita. Pero hindi ko na matatanggap yung lumakad-lakad ka ng madumi ang paa, no, sa aking isipan, no, or sa aking puso. So I'm speaking in metaphor. I will not allow you to walk on me with your dirty feet, no. So if kung gusto mong pumasok sa buhay ko, dapat malinis ka na, no. I feel like na undervalue ako, napawala yung respeto ko sa sarili ko, no? It also felt like that somewhat nag-combine itong third party situation, no? Kasi parang ang nakikita ko may mga panlolokong nagaganap, or betrayal of trust. The Two of Cups and the Three of Cups. Sabihin natin, yung iba, sabi mo hindi ka iinom. Sabi mo hindi na kayo magkikita uli, no? Sabi mo, iiwasan mo na yan. Pero, nandyan pa din. Nakikita ko pa din, no? What I am really seeing in here is I don't like sharing, no? Sabihin mo na gusto mong sabihin, no? Sabihin mo ng sakim ako, no? Pero hindi ako nakikipag-share, lalo na kapag pinag-uusapan ang taong mahal ko. Kung ano ang akin, yun ay akin, no? With the Eight of Pentacles and the Sun. Pinagtrabahuhan ko to, no? We built this connection. I built you. Wow. Kung meron kasi ditong parang panunumbat, no? It looks like sumbat, pero real talk naman kasi, no? Hindi ka magiging ganyan kung hindi dahil sa akin, no? You don't have all the knowledge, you don't have all that abundance, no? Without me. Tapos, i-share ko sa iba. Diba? Hindi ako ganun kabait na tao, no? With the Eight of Cups, the King of Cups. I feel like hindi naman nawawala yung pag-ibig. Don't get me wrong. Mahal pa rin kita with the Eight of Cups. Pero ayoko munang makipag-usap. Baka kung ano lang masabi ko, no? Again, sabihin natin I'm upset, I'm disappointed. Huwag mong antayin na papunta na siya sa galit. Kasi ganito na lang siya kakonti. No, baka hindi mo kakayanin pag nagalit ako with the Seven of Cups and the Five of Swords. I feel like I am going to ipaglalaban ko itong relationship na ito, 'no? Ipaglalaban ko talaga itong relationship na ito. Kailangan ko lang i-charge yung battery ko, i-charge yung courage ko, i-charge yung sarili ko, 'no? Kailangan ko ng lakas, kailangan ko ng tamang pag-iisip. Ayoko munang makipag-usap, pero hindi pa tayo tapos, 'no? Especially dito po sa mga Pisces, Capricorn, Taurus, um, Scorpio, no? Yeah, Virgo, Sagittarius. Ayan. So, the rest po, parang nakikita ko is more of, ang mangyayari dito is either going to jump into the relationship or talagang leaving it, no? All behind. Ayan. So, let's check naman po dito sa mga in a third party situation. Ano? Sa mga third party situation. Sa mga may third party situation. Dito po sa mga may third party situation. I just want space. Have I lost everything? Wrongful advice. So, ang nakikita ko dito, may sinunod akong isang advice. It could be advice ng parent, no? Huwag niyo sabihing advice ko ha, kasi nangyari na to, excuse me, no? Nagalit ako. Now, what I'm trying to say here is, it could also be an advice or a demand of a person, no? Parang sabi mong hiwalayan mo yan. Ngayon, kailangan ko kasing, kailangan ko ngayon ng time, no? Parang feeling ko, paano ako lalapit sa'yo kasi paano kita ipaglalaban, no? I think gumagawa ako ng mga ways ngayon or strategies. Paano kita makukuha? Paano natin ipaglalaban itong third party situation natin, no? With the Knight of Cups, the Three of Cups, the Two of Cups, and the Page of Cups. There's a lot of cups in here. Sobrang pagmamahal itong nararamdaman nyo. Pero parang feeling niyo I need to make a decision. Mahal kita, pero kailangan ko nang pumili. With the Page of Cups, isa lang ang pwede, no? With the Three of Cups, ang nakikita ko dito, ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin, no? With the Three of Cups, we will going to have a celebration. No? Ayoko lang magkaroon ng drama, no? Kaya ang ginagawa ko, sabi ni person, unti-unti, no? So parang killing me softly. Ayan. Unti-unti akong lumalayo sa third party situation, no? Doon sa ating karmic. Ngayon, eto na ako, papunta na ako sa iyo. Ikaw lang talaga ang pipiliin ko. Sabing ganon. With the Page of Swords. Uy, magko-commit na with the Ace of Cups. So I feel like meron dito mga napagtanto, napagtanto ko na itong relationship na ito is worth fighting for, worth choosing for. I feel like ikaw talaga ang pipiliin ko. Tayo lang ang magsasama habang buhay. Hindi na ako magloloko. Oh, wow. With the Hierophant and the Nine of Cups. I feel like all the demands, all of those, sabihin natin, request, either magpakasal, no, magseryoso, lumipat ng lugar, gagawin ko. Just wait for me. Ang kumbaga meron ditong your wish is my command, no? Sabi ganun ni person. I'm seeing angel number 4444, apat na 4. Check kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng angel number 4444. I'm not a numerologist. Ayoko magdunong-dunungan. Hindi ko 40 yan. So might as well check on it, no? Napakagandang reading, no? Doon sa may third party situation. Ikaw pa rin. Ikaw pa rin. Lalo na dito, this might be your person's zodiac sign, sun sign rather, or their a placement in their chart, no? I am seeing Capricorn, Aries, Virgo, Cancer, Scorpio. Yan. So, it felt like eto, dun sa mga nabanggit kong zodiacs, pipiliin, no? I feel like matatapos na itong third party situation. Pero doon po sa the rest, I feel like you might going to be staying in a third party situation, no? So, dadaanan natin, syempre part of the relationship is the sex life. Ayan. So, how about your sex life? Ayan. How about what's going to happen in sex life of those zodiac signs who's going to be affected with this Venus in Leo retrograde, no? So, the Devil card, the High Priestess, the Nine of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. So, it kind of make me feel like it's either sumusobra itong sex life ninyo. Kumbaga, no, lahat naman tayo adult na dito. So, kumbaga meron ditong dalawa kasi to, no? Either sobra or hindi. The Devil card in here, wala itong normal na na energy. It's either to the extremes, no? Either sobra ang sex life or tuyong-tuyo na, no? Kumbaga, yung isa La Nina, yung isa El Nino, no? But whether whatever it is, doon po sa mga medyo mahapdi na, no, itong mga organs nila, no, it kind of make me feel like na bibigyan ka ng chance para makapagpahinga, makapagpa-check up, ano. I feel like nai-stress ka na rin, gusto mo na rin siguro magsalita na, uy, medyo bagal-bagalan na, ay medyo no, hinay-hinay naman, no, madaming araw, no, parang nauubusan ka ba ng araw, no, parang ganun na lang ba ikaw kahayok, no, I feel like this time makakapagpahinga ka, no, so that's balancing, no, I feel like the balance is already here, especially the High Priestess showed up, no, especially itong mga, you know, nagpupumilit na mga partners natin na gawin ang mga exhibitions, no, itong mga bagay na hindi pa natin nagagawa, no, either no, kung saang party pa man yan gustong ipasok, no, it kind of make me feel like, uy, hindi, so hindi na siya ipipilit, no. Doon naman po sa mga sabihin nating El Nino, no, mga tagtuyot, it felt like na manunumbalik naman. Kaya nga balancing is here, especially ito, no? Especially when it comes to El Nino, I'm going to take it very literal as it is, lalo na dun sa mga frigid, no? I feel like, sige, hahayaan ko na, no, na gumamit tayo ng lubricant, no, or you know, pagpapahingahin din kita if in case na masakit. Pero it felt like babalik yung sigla ng ating sexual life. Ano? What I am also seeing in here, Whether it is extreme of super or nothing at all, things will be balanced. Especially balancing the justice is here. No, this time I feel like you're going to enjoy the activity, the act. I call it dance, no? Kasi when it comes to sexual life, it's not just about jugjugan, no? Kaya nga, yung iba ang tawag dito is making love. This is our expression of love. And I feel like both of you are heading towards into that kind of situation na we are going to make love this time. No? Hindi either parang gumagawa tayo ng porn movie, no? Or porn sequence, or para tayong naging magkaibigan, no? Nagkakahiyaan pa tayo ngayon. Ngayon, it's total couple. I feel like with the eight of wands, I'm also seeing that there will be schedules, or I'm gonna be very vocal about this when it comes to I want this, I don't want this. You're gonna be heard, and I feel like maraming tinatawag ditong foreplays na mai-enjoy natin. Ano? I'm also seeing with the Seven of Spades and the Three of Wands. I also felt like there is another honeymoon that's gonna be, sabihin natin, there will be surprises. Probably I'm gonna surprise you with another honeymoon. We'll go into a different place para i-celebrate itong making love natin. Ano? So, doon po sa mga um, parang rabbit ang asawa, no? Don't worry, bibigyan kayo ng chance magpahinga. Kaya nga meron tayong getaway. Doon naman po sa mga El Nino naman, no? Kaya nga tayo pupunta din sa ibang lugar is para i-reminisce at i-celebrate, no? So, ayan po ang ating sexual life, no? So, let's go into for those people who's looking for a job. As promised, for those people na naghahanap po ng trabaho. Parang ang awkward, no? We went into those people who's looking for a job. So, syempre, after nyong magpakasaya or mag-honeymoon, balik sa trabaho, no? Walang tatama rin sa pamilyang ito. Ayan. So, let's check here for those people who's looking for a job. Hindi yan ang card. Ito ang card. Ayan. For those people who's looking, walang trabaho ha, looking for a job. Alright. For those people who's actually looking for a job. For those people who's looking for a job, recognition and reward, financial and material changes, memories of love. So I feel like meron ditong opening sa mga dating yung trabaho, no? Chances are, so it doesn't matter how many trabajos. Wow, RK. Ang arte ko doon. It doesn't matter kung ilang beses na kayo nung or pang ilang trabaho niya na to. It felt like merong opening, no? Doon po sa dati yung pinasukan. Medyo i-backtrack natin. Baka sa mga naghahanap lang naman, okay? Yung kailangan talaga ng trabaho. It felt like badly needed, no? Whether temporary or, I might going to stay. But I need something to finance myself, no? Para mabuhay. So, ito yung reading na yun. It felt like you need to backtrack, no? With the Empress in here, the Ace of Cups, well, I feel like nangangailangan talaga sila. And, parang sinabi dito na, naaalala ko, no, itong taong ito, na nagtrabaho dito. So, it felt like you also made a mark from that job. With the Four of Pentacles and the World card, they also wishes you to be there. I feel like ang buong akala nila is talagang hindi ka na babalik. So, chances are you are very much welcome, no? Still, doon po sa dati ninyong pinasukan. Uh, with a high priestess and the Ten of Cups. So I feel like mas maganda ang opportunities, mas magugustuhan nyo yung trabaho, mas kung meron man kayong mga taong kinaiinisan, it's either wala na doon or hindi na sila ganun kabuli, no? Ah, so nakikita nila yung halaga nila sa mo with the King of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. So eto na. So it felt like you're gonna be accepted back. You're very much welcome. I'm seeing money. It might not be that good, but almost with Nine of Pentacles. So magiging masaya naman ang stay natin doon kung dating hindi. Like what I mentioned, there are changes, no? Lalo na dito sa Sagittarius, Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Leo, and Capricorn, no? So, tignan natin dun sa mga naghahanap ng another job, no? Or sabihin natin work abroad, no? Ibang trabaho or another additional trabaho. Ibang company yon, ibang company, ibang bansa, ibang trabaho. Ayan. Or additional trabaho rather. Deception and envy, recognition and reward, financial and material changes. Ang nakikita ko kaya naman pala, I feel like there's a lot of politics, no? Diyan sa pinapasukan nyo ngayon. It felt like hindi kayo nabibigyan ng halaga, hindi man lang kayo na-recognize, walang incentive. It felt like you're being used, no? Ang dami nyo pinapasok na pera, pero ang nakukuha nyo is kahit masigabong palakpakan, wala. No? Kahit 30 minutes break, ayaw kayong bigyan kahit na ganun kayo kadedicated sa work. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm also seeing na ang toxic kasi ang daming taong mga nagsisiraan. Kumbaga, no? With the Two of Swords, gusto mo na talagang umalis, ayaw mo na with the Five of Cups. So it felt like, bakit pa ako nandito? Nanghihinayang ako, no? Parang I'm dragging myself to wake up and be in this situation, no? It kind of also make me feel that this is not something for me. I'm no longer enthusiastic, to be at work, to be in this specific department, no? With the King of Cups and the Magician. So, ang nakikita ko dito, may dalawa pa. With the King of Cups and the Magician, hindi mo lang masabi, pero there is actually a plan for you to really move, of course. Siyempre, no? Ang pangit naman ng impression natin kung magiging vocal pa tayo na, lilipat ako. Siyempre, that's understandable, no? With the Seven of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups, I feel like there are options. You're looking for options. Seven of Pentacles, you're waiting, no? For all of these things to happen. With the Nine of Swords, you're stressing about leaving also something behind or someone behind. It felt like to me, ang hirap din sabihin, no? Sa mga taong nakaasa sa atin, no? Na kailangan ko muna ng pahinga or kailangan ko nang lumipat. Pero I feel like you're still going to do this anyway. There's really something, and I feel like now I understand the reason why you would love to walk away, no? I want to get some card here for you. Let's get some ideas for or sabihin natin, how to say that, advice. Accept where you are at this moment. Only then you can begin to move forward. Be clear about your intentions. This makes it easier for us and the universe to help you. Doors will open unexpectedly, so be ready. So eto nga yun. So nagdadalawang isip tayo, no? Aalis ba tayo? Kasi may mga taong na umaasa. Meron din tayong mga taong pinahalagahan. So, ang sinasabi dito ng yung spirit guides, make your decision. Gusto mo ba o hindi? Kasi we're ready to help. We're ready to take action. We just can start. If you're not making a right decision, let us know. So right after making a decision, pray for them. I feel like talagang tutulungan ka naman, no? Especially no dito po sa mga Taurus, Libra, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, no? The rest, I feel like you might still gonna search, no? Ayan. Pero itong mga nabanggit ko, paparating na po, no? Itong just make a right decision. So, how about for your career, no? For your career. For your career, wisdom, fertility, transformation. Wow. I feel like you have gained a lot of knowledge. You have gained a lot of experience. I am seeing here that there's a new beginning waiting for you. Kind of you already planted the seed. Now with the fertility in here, it felt like there's something that's to be offered. It's a new life. It's a new position. The transformation in here is more of elevation. There's really some beautiful changes, and it kind of make me feel na nandito tayo sa isang sitwasyon na parang pinagdasal natin, we're eyeing for it, na parang sinabi natin sa sarili natin, oy, someday soon, no, diyan ako mapupunta. Ayan. So let's see with the King of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. You're gonna be happy because the King of Swords is a person of authority, is a person who's commanding, who's also, I went here to this position because of my hard work, my wit, my wisdom, my knowledge, my experience, no? Hindi kumbaga hindi ito ipinasa lang sa akin. Hindi I really worked hard for it, no? And the King of Swords gained the respect of everyone. Ayan. With the Hangman and the King of Pentacles. So, I think na you might be thinking, kung bibigay naman ba sa akin itong position na ito, is this another trabaho or kailangan kong or talagang may improvement, baka dagdag trabaho to or ganun lang din naman ang aking sahod. No, hindi, no? May additional trabaho, may additional, and I feel like malaki-laki, no? Kasi King of Pentacles, I feel like there's also something in here that you might going to save to build something your own, no? With the Four of Cups, the Knight of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. So, ang pinaka um, a message dito with the Four of Cups, wag mong i-reject itong opportunity na dadating, no? Make sure na ito pong inyong na welcoming kayo. So before you complain, try to comply, no? Paano mo malalaman yung isang bagay kung hindi ka naman susubok, no? Subukan ng iyong makita kasi When it comes to your career, there's an elevation, wag matakot. You're very much qualified for this. No? So good job, especially dito po sa mga may zodiac sign na Gemini, Libra, Scorpio, Virgo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, and Leo. No? So take advantage of that moment or opportunities. No? So how about when it comes to your finances? When it comes to your finances, o yeah, baka naman i-like nyo na to, i-share nyo, no? Hindi biro ha, lagpas isang oras na ako, dire-diretso to ha. So, I deserve a like. I deserve for you to comment, no? Baka naman. So, when it comes to your finances, diba, yun lang ang aking hinihingi, ng ang aking, mapuna naman itong aking pagod, no? Dahil mahirap din, utak ang gumagana, boses ko ang napapagod. No, I'm giving you all energy ko. I'm giving you my energy, no? To give you this news. So, mano ba naman itong mag-like lang, mag-comment, no? Or i-share. Malaking tulong na po yun, no? So, when it comes to finances, base chakra, disruption, and harmony, uy, isa pa to sa maganda. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, sabihin natin na napariwara ang ating mga desisyon. Aminin natin yan, may mga desisyon tayo sa buhay na sablay. Lalo na pag finances. Sabihin natin na nandito tayo sa isang situation na, dumating sa situation na, paano ko ba ito sasabihin? Na naging, tawag nila, one day millionaire. Ganda na. One day millionaire. Pero, itong sitwasyon na ito, no, actually kinabahan tayo. Makakabawi pa ba tayo, no? Dadating ba yung time na makukuha natin yung solution, no? Or resolution, no? Sa isang bagay na pinagsisihan natin. I think that we already learned from the best. And that is our own mistake with the Chariot and the Six of Pentacles. So you're going to surpass the challenges. You are going to surpass the challenges. And I am seeing in here with the Six of Pentacles, you know what? I feel like may dadating na opportunity. At first, ito yung opportunity na magsasalba sa ating mga utang, no? Or magsasalba sa pang-araw-araw natin. At first, ito lang muna yun, no? Pero nakakakita ko ng flow because of this harmonious flow of energy, of finances, money, no? I feel like tutubo, or lalaki ng lalaki, no? With the Tower in here and the Death cards. Ito nga yun, probably nandito kayo dati sa sitwasyon na feeling nyo hindi siya nauubos, tapos biglang boom, nagulat kayo. Pero there is a reverse ng sinasabi nating Death card. Kasi, let's say, napunta kayo sa isang sitwasyon na hindi natin din inasahan. Pero, the Death card is also signifies a rebirth. Natapos, pero babangon muli. No? So, ito na yon. I feel like makakapagpundasyon kayo uli, no? Kung merong business. Page of Swords. Justice. I love this kasi meron ditong either project, business, na hihilahin, no, itong inyong financial issues, or pwede rin itong sabihin nating mana, no, kung meron tayong inaantay, it felt like ilalabas na ito, no, with the Seven of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. So eto na siya, palabas na. Ano ang lalabas? Ilabas mo na. Lumabas na, palabas na itong abundance, no, na ating inaantay. So congratulations. Naku, kailangan natin ng drum roll dito po sa mga zodiac sign na ito. No? I am seeing Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo, Aquarius, Libra, Capricorn, no? Sa iba po, medyo matatagalan pa, pero yung sa mga nabanggit ko, nandito na, no? Whether you have that sun sign or a placement in your chart, no? So, let's check, no, sa health. Ayan. When it comes to your health. Mhm. When it comes to your health, material and spiritual prosperity, the power, deception, and envy. So, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang feeling natin, laging sumasakit ang ulo, meron ditong part na nalalabo ang paningin. Meron din dito parang sabi natin, nalolo siyang nako. You know? Well, vanity is also health, no? Inaalagaan na natin yung sarili natin. For a few numbers of you, baka either kulang or sobra tayo sa tubig. You know, you have to balance things out. Ang daming lumabas. Pero what I am seeing in here, there's, wow, the King of Pentacles. It felt like kailangan natin na medyo either mag-meditate, no? What I am seeing in here, there's something about our head, no? Hindi tayo nasisiraan ng bait, but more of laging sumasakit ang ulo. Madami tayong iniisip na mga bagay-bagay, or the Mercury is here. Diba? This is a sign of a Mercury, diba? Doctor, diba? Nakikita natin yan sa mga doctors. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, okay, I think that there will be some mental health issues in here. Tingnan nga natin kung meron tayong kumbaga meron tayong na-create na another, it could be our outer ego, sana ganun lang, ano. Pero baka mamaya nagkakaroon na tayo ng split personality, you might need to balance things out, no. What I am seeing in here, mainitin ang ulo natin ngayon. UTI is what I am also seeing in here. Mahapdi ang sigmura, with the King of Cups. I am seeing lagi tayong nakatulala, no? You know what? Kung ito yung mga symptoms, I think that we need to check kasi kung nagsa-self-medicate tayo, it's not going to, well, probably it sometimes help, but it requires an attention of medical professional, no? Kasi pinag-aralan naman nila yan. So you can, whether it is you're gonna take medicine, or probably you can ask, is there some alternative medicine that probably more organic, no? That's much better. Pero I feel like these are the symptoms or the things that needs to be bloated is also what I'm seeing. Health issues that we need to focus on, yeah, especially sa mga Aries, Taurus, no, Aquarius, Virgo, Leo, no. The rest, I feel like this is minor issues, pero doon po sa mga nabanggit ko, it requires medical and professional help, no. So our last would be the spiritual journey, no. The spiritual journey. And mind you, speaking of spiritual journey, the time is 1010, 1010. That is actually a binary code, no? Which means that this is something that we need to download. You know, yan din kasi ang mga numbers na ginagamit sa computer, no? That's why it's called binary code. So I think that we need to really listen to this message. Patience, firm foundation, memories of love. You know, I feel like part of our experiences needs to be accepted as it is. I think that we also need to move forward. I feel like we need to elevate ourselves. There's something here that needs to be downloaded. Seek within, you know, before going out or before looking, the perspective outside, go dive deep in. Try to do some shadow works in here. I feel like this might not be easy, but it felt like there is, sabihin natin, a gift, a download that will be given to you and to you only. No? Lalo na sa mga tinatawag nating indigo child. No? With the Ace of Wands, the Knight of Cups. So it kind of make me feel that there is a passion that you wanted to start with, but it makes me feel na sobrang daming nangyayari sa buhay natin. So we are trying to gauge and probably disregard or set this aside for a little while. With the Justice in here and the King of Pentacles, I feel like you're being pushed to do it right now. There's no way for us to um, be complacent anymore. I think that we are being called, no, to do this. Whatever it is, it felt like don't give up as well. With the Queen of Wands, the Knight of Swords, it felt like there's someone here in a spiritual realm that you need to talk to, and they're gonna help you with your journey. With the King of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles, it felt like there is some help that will be given by this spiritual being. No, let's see here a guidance from you. It is time to stop letting worry rule you. No, instead, get excited about your future and all it will bring. What energy and emotion you put out comes back to you. What a little conscious effort on your part, that happy ending can end will be yours. Believe that. So, stop na natin itong mga negative thinking, no? Kahit gaano pa man yung kaliit, we need, ang sinasabi dito, no, kung ano ang tinatanim mo, whether it's a thought, yun ang magbubunga. So, it start to, or I mean, it requires for us to change a bit for us to get the result, no, that we are actually wanted to acquire. So itong message na ito is para sa Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Leo, Capricorn, Aquarius, no. The rest, what I am also seeing in here is you can take the advice kasi that's in general, no? Mas maganda kung iti-take natin ang opportunity na yon. Manifestation, that's actually part of the manifestation. Again, so this is your reading. Baka naman po, like, ang hirap, na? Almost 1.5 hours. Nagsasalita tayo ng dire-diretso. So, please paki-like, paki-share, no? Comment if you resonate. And again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, regular na po, magpo-post tayo ng video sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Kung di niyo po naabutan yung live, there's actually a link in the description box. No? Click that link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, how much per question. If you also want to book a personal reading or private reading, nandun din po yan. Love and light to you. Namaste. Maraming salamat po. No? See you on the next reading. Goodbye.